Today, as I was reading a book on leadership, I came across a trait the writer called being optimistic. In other words, optimism. And here's a question: how can I improve my optimism? So I want to give us a quick guide on how you and I can improve our optimism. The first thing we want to do is to find out what being optimistic actually means. Being optimistic means to be hopeful and confident about the future. So when you feel worried, anxious, you're probably bordering on being pessimistic. Remember that story of two people who looked at a half full glass of water? The pessimist says it's half empty, and the optimist says it's half full. So what would you say if you see a glass that's got half of water in it? Would you instinctively say it's half empty, or would you instinctively say it's half full? Well, let's look at how we can improve our optimism. There are 4 ways that I believe that you can use to improve your optimism. Number 1 is to get more information. One of the reasons why we could be anxious about the future is because we don't have enough information to take the right action. And the more quality information you can lay your hands on, the more optimistic you'll feel about the future of what you're working on. The second thing is to take positive action. I always think to myself, what would this person do if they came across this particular problem? What would Bill Gates do? What would Tony Robbins do? What would Brian Tracy do? What would Jesus do? I'll ask myself those questions, and that'll help me to decide on the positive action to take. Remember, the more positive action you take, the more confident you become. And the third thing to do is to use affirmations to affirm to yourself that you can get over this. I can overcome this. I can do better than this. No, my future is going to be good. I can achieve what I want. Those kind of words will help you to become more optimistic. And then finally, what you can do is get into a coaching mentorship and learn from somebody who has been there, done that. And you can do that by actually talking to someone on the phone, or reading a book that they've written, or going on a course. That'll all help you to become more optimistic. All right. If you want more information about this, you can contact me by writing to Boomy at startyourownbusinessacademy.com. If you like this video, then like it. If you like it, then share it. If you like it, then drop a comment about it. And let's together become more optimistic.